Let me introduce myself. My name is Randy Zimler. I am part of the Purple Foundation. I'm a member of the board of directors. As it's classified, as a member of the board of directors, I'm a platinum member. Actually, Verizon's a platinum member, so I feel honored to wear that precious metal symbol around my neck. So what we're going to do for the next 20 minutes or so is talk through these demos that you all have had a chance to take a look through. And of course, there's going to be more time during the day to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into this. I'm going to put on my spectacles so I can see. What would be helpful is to get the slide deck rolling, and maybe there's a clicker and I just don't see it yet. So if there's a clicker, that would be helpful. But anyways, let me go ahead and just at least start again. I think that's a hint for the next slide to be. We're still showing the sponsorship slides. There should be one that's labeled as demos, and I'll wait to see that maybe on my monitor as well so I don't have to step over cords and cables and such. So anytime would be wonderful. Oh, wait. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Livia to the rescue. Thank you so much. Let me hit the next button and see what happens. Oops. I think I lost my connectivity. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Maybe I just wasn't patient enough. Oh, and there I can actually stare now at the slides there. So thank you so much. Perfect, perfect. Thank you. So of course, there's always the time that everything has to be organized and how we get together. So first off, we have the Action Tech demo. It's 10G Wi-Fi. It's a tri-band CPE experience. There's a portfolio of capabilities that are available for you all to peruse through once you have time. If you haven't already done so, please go out and check in with the Action Tech team. The next is AirTies. So AirTies is integrating Purple OS and Purple Mesh. There's the capabilities of, yes. Oh. Thank you very much. The synchronization isn't quite up to speed yet, so thank you for pointing that out. Maybe there's a linkage here that I'm not aware of. Let me go back and try this again. There we go. All right, so AirTies incorporates a variety of capabilities related to Purple OS and Purple Mesh. They have onboarded various capabilities. There we go, back again. So anyways, take a look, enjoy yourself when you have a chance to check with the AirTies team. And I'm also going to look over my shoulder to make sure that we are actually looking at BGAL. Okay, so BGAL, So BGAL has a remote diagnostics suite for broadband and Wi-Fi. The tie-in with BGAL is with internet service providers, and some of their claims is reduction in OpEx. They have multiple CPEs for diagnostic or applications that are used for diagnostics associated with those CPE. There's a lot more detail in the demo itself, so please take your time and enjoy their demo as well. Bitdefender. So Bitdefender is a security platform in terms of its capabilities. If you think about the necessity to make sure we integrate certain security aspects into our CPE, Bitdefender opens or offers various capabilities in terms of their software components. Some of which, though, is tied into our lifecycle management capabilities within the Purple platform. So being able to distribute the applications via LCM and taking advantage also of the high-level API. Next on our list is cognitive. Oh, wait a second. Let's make sure I got this. Oh, this is a 2-slide. Let me get to the next one. Wait. Here we go. So Wi-Fi motion, thank you. So Wi-Fi motion, as we think about the capabilities of the evolution of Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi has provided us the ability now of being able to sense what happens within the customer's premises, whether that be a home or otherwise. But the idea is that leveraging the capabilities of Wi-Fi to better advantage the advancement of new applications. So they've incorporated now a suite of capabilities that provide that solution for both the operator, service provider, and the community of interest from the CPE perspective. So Consult Red, again, also taking advantage of standards, using standards from such as the Broadband Forum, leveraging lifecycle management, broadband forum standards such as TR-181, which is the data model, for then also TR-69, which is the capability of managing the device. So the linkage between now our ability from a service provider operator perspective to get a better view on what's happening with the CPE. So take advantage of the time that you're here and chat with the folks over at Consult Red. Oh, okay, so I need to hold the microphone closer. Next on our list is Domos, and they're exposing network APIs for Purple Home routers. They have different network capabilities. They expose camera to the network APIs, and at the same time, they're linking a lot of what they do into applications such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and all of that combined potentially with the capabilities of Chrome. So thanks for that. Next on our list is Gemtech. Gemtech has an app orchestrator, multiple LCM support. They're demonstrating the apps of their orchestration during the event today, and that'll give you a better idea of how they're leveraging that orchestration platform for various SOCs. I think it's all independent because we have a low-level API that's compliant for all of our chipsets. And so the initiative then would be providing those additional capabilities for the management of the CPE through the LCM lifecycle management platform. Next on our list is Global Logic. And Global Logic provides automatic or automated purpleware testing using Global Logic's residential gateway validation suite. That was a good summary as to what their capabilities are. But when you think about purpleware is a combination of everything from the high-level API, lifecycle management, security, all the way down to the low-level API compliance. So Global Logic is working to standardize a solution that would provide the capability for testing purposes. Next, we've got Humax. It's a purpleware platform on Wi-Fi 7 devices. They've got several demos. I think I actually saw some of these. 5G fixed wireless access, XGS-PON, Ethernet router extender based on the capabilities of Wi-Fi 7 devices. And what they're looking at to demonstrate is to show how they're adapting purpleware to different product families, everything, again, Wi-Fi based, as well as when we think about the growth of fiber networking within the telco range, as well as what's happening in the MSOs. Next we have, let's see if I flip this correctly. Yes, we have Humax. And so Humax, well, actually I just spoke through that. I think of what I'm doing here sometimes. So Inango. Inango, and thank you for synchronizing for me. So Inango is a Purple LCM, and they're utilizing the lifecycle management platform from Purple in Purple OS. They also have relationships directly with the capabilities of beyond just Purple but also OpenWRT as well as the RDK community. And they're also leveraging TR69 from the Broadband Forum Standards and TR369, which is the extension of 69, which provides more capabilities. We've got Kaon. And Kaon's enabling the service delivery platform through LCM. They're going to demonstrate on multiple system-on-chip based platforms, including using the prpl reference platform. They've also partnered with, in this case, where I see here, it's Bitdefender and Streambo. So you think about the linkage, now we're bringing together Kaon Media as well as other vendors who are part of our prpl community to bring together holistic solutions. We have MediaTek. And so MediaTek with the Aroha chipset, which is Wi-Fi 7 enabled in conjunction with prpl OS. They're demonstrating Wi-Fi 7 and prpl OS and showing their readiness with regards to prpl OS and the integration of the Aroha hardware gateway SoC platform or system on a chip platform. So take a look at that. Next on our list, we've got Nokia. And Nokia is also demonstrating Wi-Fi management capabilities. And so with Nokia, the idea from them is also to use user services platform, TR369. Oh, let me see if I can balance this a little bit better. TR369 data elements that are based on those broadband forum standards and LCM. They have a marketplace which they're showcasing, and it's an application from both Nokia and third-party developers. So take a look at their table as well. And then we've got Orange. So Orange is here today, and they've got various applications that they're demonstrating with regards to energy management and cybersecurity through an open innovation platform. So they're also leveraging the capabilities of prpl and how their services now fit into the domain of the framework that they're building to support prpl-ware, which are all the components of prpl, and enhancing now the capabilities of what can be achieved through the prpl platform. The next we have prpl on Sejamcom, and they are demonstrating gateways and extenders. They have services that they're illustrating as well, lifecycle management, a wide area network. Also, if we think about the capabilities of prpl mesh, implementing solutions based on prpl mesh on their CPE, and also at the same time they have a test setup which is demonstrating 2 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 extenders in connection with a multi-link option, MLO, which is Wi-Fi 7 based backhaul network capabilities. So take a look and see what Sejamcom is doing with their product line. And then we have SAM Seamless Networks. SAM is also part of our, let's just call it the security requirements that we're building within the prpl Foundation. And they're enhancing the experience to ensure the customer is having a more secured gateway experience and having less concern on bad actors which may be finding their way into our customers' premises. So they have a demonstration set up. You can see the extent of that during the time we have during the break, during their demo. And then we have CERTCOM, and as you can see from their title, they're pioneering the future of prpl OS. They're also Wi-Fi 7 multi-link mesh technology with cellular. They also have a voice integration component. They're demonstrating using smartphones in conjunction with an extender and showing the relationship now with having that internet connection to provide that better capability between our smart devices and our routers and extenders. They'll have demonstrations also that they're posting at their table. So please take the opportunity and have the chance to go and chat with CERTCOM. Then we have Soft at Home. And Soft at Home is one of the lead developers for Purple-related components. They have an orchestrator, and that orchestrator provides the capabilities of linking all these various solutions together. You can see from the demo, they're leveraging lifecycle management for many of who are here today, applications, and how all those applications can be linked through their orchestration layer via lifecycle management. And all of the CPE that they also have on display from the various SOC vendors, they're agnostic to whatever the SOC may be, which is really the intention, and we'll talk more about low-level API compliance in a future roundtable that we'll have this afternoon. Then we got Streambo. So Streambo provides this high-level quality of experience with Wi-Fi 7. They're also leveraging the capabilities of artificial intelligence, which is something we talked about during our spring conference as well, as how AI is now fitting into the domain of Purple and what it means for the long-term objectives of what we're achieving from an extensibility of what Purple can bring us in the future, utilizing artificial intelligence. They're looking at Wi-Fi 7 qualified testing, the AI-powered Wi-Fi 7 with QoE, so quality of experience, QoE being a lead factor in what service providers and operators are intending to take advantage of over time. And also they have a quality of service analysis technology that they're integrating into their product line. So it's a lot of value add that we can see from Streambo. And then we have the Purple LCM. It's a little tricky when we think about Zimler and what all the capabilities are. So thinking about the architecture, the app management, again, orchestration, lifecycle management, however, all the linkages created between the network core as well as the CPE. So there's demonstrations that they have for you to take a look at. And Vantiva, so they're linking Purple OS with their FGA GPON solution, Wi-Fi 7 enabled. They're doing SOC, low-level API testing and hardening. And they have the statement here as, you know, they're attempting and they're working towards de-risking the secure bootloader integration in the Purple environment, de-risking in the sense to make sure that we do have the capabilities to secure anything at the boot level for the long term to make to be consistent now with the demands of the operator community to ensure that there's integrity at that layer. And their collaboration with the Purple Foundation through a third-party application. And we've got WNC. So WNC is also part of our initiatives here at Purple. They've got Wi-Fi 7 capable devices. You see there the Freedom platform that they're demonstrating. There's more details on that pertaining to their Purple OS integration with Purple Mesh as an agent, and the extensibility of remote devices, our smartphones, et cetera, which could then leverage the capabilities of Wi-Fi from a meshing perspective, as well as all the sophistication of Wi-Fi 7 with MLO and those extended capabilities. So WNC, please, or everyone, please go out and check out WNC's demo. We have ZTE with the GPE Purple Home Gateway, and their combination work with Bitdefender. More details there as well, but the idea is they're differentiating themselves from competitors by also reducing the concept of reducing churn and creating partnerships within the broader ecosystem. And again, they're demonstrating with Orange and Bitdefender for this conference. And we got Zimler, it's demonstration for adaptive large-scale Purple Mesh network and the Purpleware ecosystem. They have numerous devices that are linked via Purple Mesh for their demonstration. They have two demonstrations, one of LCM support and the other the extensibility of Purple Mesh. And there you go. So thank you.